Damn me up, bro. Hey.
Yo, what's up, guys?
We are going to play a one-armed cook. I saw a dude, one of my favorite YouTubers. Shut up. I saw one of my favorite YouTubers, Smitty, do it, and we gotta ready up. First of all, Trev. Bottom right corner. Yeah, there you go. I need to select the map. Oh, yeah, select map. Let's do
one of the easy ones first.
pizza.
Please. That's one of the harder ones.
No, it's not.
Oh yeah, is it? I go.
And $50. Okay. We need to go to the customers. Where are the customers?
In 300
Get into
seconds.
it. Slap into it. Get into it. Hold up. Where? Oh, what do you want? What do you want? How do I? Oh, you want pizza di viola? I do not know what they mean. The kid, they want pizza, cheese, and salami on top of it. So we gotta.
Moscato,
Oh God,
wait,
this is gonna be chaos.
Wait.
Put that right there. We need this.
Oh,
we
no.
need.
Oh jeez.
I need the can opener.
I open the fridge. Okay. Alright, I got the dough.
Okay, we don't need the dough right now. Put it back in the fridge. Put it back in the fridge.
Yes, we do need dough.
There are rats in this game, Trev. You don't want to keep that out there.
What?
Oh God, I spilled the sauce. Oh no. Stop.
I need that.
Wait,
stop. I need this.
I need this.
How do I flatten
Stop.
the pizza dough?
You don't flatten the pizza dough like that.
How do I flatten the pizza dough? I don't
just
know.
don't right now,
that's
okay?
how. There's a press right there. Wait, there's a pizza press right here. Hold on. Let me just.
Okay, and then we need salami.
Wait, no, it's not. Is it? I don't think this is.
And then we take
Wait,
this.
how do we flatten the pizza dough?
We'll learn that later. Oh my God.
Dirty the utensils, gosh.
Okay, get on.
Oh, they've already left. Oh, they're already gone. Just
What?
kidding.
Oh,
100 seconds left. Wait, is that way how we fly? Wait, is this how we fly?
How do you pick up the pizza? How do you pick up the pizza?
Oh, it is. So we flatten the pizza. All right. What do you want? Freaking sauce, cheese, and
Yes, pick up
ham.
the pizza, but the sauce. Oh God, there's
Where's the
salami on it.
ladle? Where's the ladle? You know what?
The ladle? It's over here.
Where's the? Give me. I need this. All right, let's go.
The sauce. We're out of sauce. Oh, get this
cheese. What's the real cheese?
shit out of here. Okay, we have new people. We have new people.
Where's the ham?
Okay, we
Did
need.
you use all the ham?
What? No, we still have. Oh God, I think we need to order. How do we order? There's a fire.
Oh.
The pizza. Get the pizza out. The pizza's burned. Give. Stop. Let go of it.
Take it.
Okay. That's how. Okay.
Where did the ham go?
Okay. You know what? The rats can have this. I think. Oh God. Oh no. Okay.
Where did
You
the
know what?
ham
Just
go,
make the damn pizza. Make it. Okay. They need the ham.
You have to order stuff.
Yeah, ham. Ham. Bam.
I just ordered some ham.
Ham. Bam. Thank you, ma'am. Okay. Thank you.
Oh no! More people are coming. Oh no.
What?
We only have 20 seconds left on the pizza.
Are you kidding me? No! The truck is here. Go get the delivery. You messed with my pizza.
I did it.
You said you knock it out of my hand, you jerk. Okay, there's and then we put it in the oven. There's a burning piece of bread in the oven.
Ham. All I need is this. Where'd the pizza go?
I already put it in the oven.
I need to put ham on it. Okay,
no, you don't. There's ham already on it. Okay, we need it for it to cook.
They've already left.
God, I don't care.
Wait, these two people want the same thing. Yeah, give it to one of them.
How do you give me your money?
Just put it in their mouth. Oh, they're eating it. He's eating it. He needs one.
He's not eating it, Trev. Feed! God damn it, just feed the stupid pizza! Oh my God! How do I give it to them? I think is there a plate? Are there plates? There's a box? We don't need the box!
Give me the box, there's ham in there! Dude!
There's a recipe book. Oh God. Oh, it's all going to crap. Oh, no. There's plates! I know how to do this! Get the box out of the way!
Where's the ladle?
Okay, I got the plate.
Where
Hold up.
did it go?
No, my pizza. Okay, the pizza's still on the plate somehow. Move out of the way, Trev.
Okay.
Plate. Eat.
Okay. Hey, yo.
They ate it. They ate.
Ham. Where's the ham?
Okay, we have dirty plates.
Where's the ham?
Dirty plate goes in the. Where does the dirty plate go? Oh god, the plate's on this now. Oh no.
No.
How do I get it off? Wait, no, hold on. I know how to get it off. I swore there was rats.
This isn't what I ordered.
There's rats. Oh no, there's a rat.
Why did you just give him cheese? I'm holding a rat.
Where you're holding? Put it in the oven.
I'm gonna put it in the flattener.
Oh god, this is.
Oh, it's just chilling in there. Oh
horrible.
no.
It's gonna burn at some point.
Yeah,
Trev.
go in the oven.
They're leaving. Take your damn pizza. You're not leaving. Hey.
Oh,
new
it's
people,
stuck in the oven. Okay,
New people, new people.
You know what?
What do you want to order?
outside.
What do you want to order? What do you want to order?
Go in the
What do you want to order? Give me what you want to order. Okay.
What do we need?
Funhouse.
Are we running low on anything?
Appetizers. I don't know. Give me the pizza. Okay. Pizza. Plate.
We need cheese.
Trev, you messed me up, you dick.
I didn't mean to.
Pizza on plate. Oh, does that work? It does. Okay. Eat, mister. Eat,
I ordered
mister.
some supplies. Why is there just floating cheese right here? Why is there just floating cheese
Dirty
right
plates.
here?
Dirty plates. I can't pick up the
Where
dirty
did they
cheese.
go?
So. The truck.
I got it.
I got it. What did you order? Did you just order cheese,
I ordered
bruh?
potato and cheese. Because we're running low.
Okay, just throw it in there. Oh, wait, no, the truck's leaving. Oh god.
It's reality. Oh shit, no, the kitchen will.
Trev, snap out of it.
Oh.
Snap out of it. Okay, cheese. That's so much cheese.
No.
Why'd you order that much?
It came like that. It wasn't that much. Go in
Okay,
the.
what do you guys want to order?
Oh my
What do you guys
gosh.
want to order?
Oh my gosh,
god.
no.
He's raised. How do we wash dishes?
How do we wash dishes?
This
In the sink out of time.
God damn
Earned
it.
0 money. Money spent 24.
Oh my god. This is so stupid. Oh my god. Come on, let's do burger. Trev, click the ready button.
My fault. I forgot. I forgot.
Oh god, this looks even worse.
What is this?
You told me this was easier, didn't you? Yeah, exactly. There's speakers? Oh
I
yeah,
didn't.
we're in a bougie place. There's 4 people. Oh lord.
What do you want?
What do you want? They all want to order something. Okay,
They all
bacon
want a
cheeseburger, bro. You gotta lay off on the bacon, bro. That's a lot of bacon in that burger. I see.
Hamburger, cheeseburger, and bacon cheeseburger. Okay, alright, burger.
I did not hear a word you
Red.
said. Order something else. Okay, hamburger. Okay, we need a hamburger. I'll make a hamburger. You make
Oh
the rest of the
gosh,
stuff.
the knife just started glitching.
Oh no.
Pick up the bun. Pick up the top.
Open up the fridge. My hand.
Pick up the bun.
Okay. Burger. Burger there.
Everyone,
Bun. Place there.
mine's on the
rat.
left.
Give me the rat.
Already? I got it.
Throw it
Get
in the trash.
can.
Yeah. That actually works. Okay, we gotta take out the burgers.
That's
right? Take out the
mine.
burgers.
Stupid. Okay. Let me just casually
And
set
then-
that down.
And then a knife. We gotta slice the bread.
Oh gosh,
we gotta slice the bread.
cheese! You just sliced the cheese.
Okay, we gotta slice the.
I can't let go of the cheese. I can't. Why'd you put the knife in?
Why did you throw the knife at me? Oh, I just accidentally hit the bell. Oh god, I'm hitting the bell. You hit that bell so you never miss a video, guy.
I need a plate. Give me a plate.
This is my plate.
No, I need my
No,
plate.
mine. You got your own plate, mister. Okay, put that on there. I need the burger. There it is. Give me that.
Oh wait, shoot, my plate. I need the plate.
Get your own plate.
I'm not taking yours. Oh god,
Frog with a hat. Okay, I have a burger. Order up for Mr. White Dude.
Did you get the bacon one?
Okay, and then he ate it.
Okay.
Dirty.
Oh, we have another group already?
Dirty plate.
No! The burgers are
Okay, just make everything. Just make a lot of everything. Just make a lot of everything.
This is what I ordered. Man, I just gave him 2 buns because you messed it up.
There's cheese all over the floor. The rats are gonna come and be like so happy. Oh god, there's a burger on the floor.
Dude, look at this.
There's a burger on the floor.
Dude,
oh my god, the plate is inside of the
stuck
sink.
in the faucet.
Oh my god.
I can't grab the plate at all.
Okay, other plate.
It's clean plate. It's clean plate. It's clean plate. Are you making the bacon one or no?
Yeah, sure. Okay, I'll make it. Hold up.
I'm making
want
bacon
this.
instead.
Damn, it's all the way over there. Okay, what are they ordering? Trev, we have to order cheeseburger, bacon cheeseburger, cheeseburger. This isn't cooked right, so bro. Shut up. Okay, bacon cheeseburger and cheeseburger. Okay. We need more buns.
Burger.
Burger. And then.
Where'd the bun go? Where'd the bun go?
Then some bacon. Okay. That looks pretty cooked.
Bottom bun. Burger.
Cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper, hamburger, cheeseburger, Big Mac Whopper, hamburger.
Hot bun. Let's go.
No, the bacon. Don't stop it. Stop.
The bacon
No, everything's burnt. Oh god. Oh
I got the bacon cheeseburger for this guy. Here, eat.
God.
What do you mean it's not what you ordered?
Maybe we put too much
bacon.
bacon.
What do you mean it's not what you ordered? It's a bacon cheeseburger.
Keep stuff out of it. There's stuff all over the floor. Oh god, just put it all in the trash.
No.
Kobe. I actually made that! Oh my god!
Beef cooked.
Kobe. I missed that.
We have to cook the buns? Oh my.
We have to cook oh my god. I forgot all about that.
I'm just gonna let the water overflow. Oh, I can't. That sucks.
Okay, so we can just cook the buns like raw style, like double style.
Don't burn the...
I don't know when they cook.
Why is there a burnt piece of bacon just
Okay, this is cooked.
ground?
This is cooked. Pick that up. Okay,
Pick what up?
and then we cut the burger.
Okay, back.
Okay, and then we take this part. We need a plate. Take the plate, put it on there. Take the plate with me so I can do this faster.
Almost $30. Ouch.
And then he ordered this.
Oh god, more people came.
This was not meant for 2 players.
Bacon cheeseburger.
Did the guy just leave on his own? Yes. Oh, never mind. He's here.
Why'd you close the door? Why'd you close the door? The door's
Patty cake, Baker's man. What's in the trash?
Okay, I got the other box. We're good. Patty cake, Baker's man. Bacon cake as you can. First time.
Okay, we have stuff in here. Put that right there.
Box.
I don't want the box. The box wants you. Oh my god.
I want the bacon inside of it.
And then he wanted cheese with it as well.
Why'd you close the fridge?
And then
no, I don't want to cook it.
Put that on top, and then boom, burger. Oh god, the
bun's
not on there.
I want the bacon inside the box.
Why did that come off? I tried to grab the thing. Okay, and then grab the plate.
No, I don't want the box.
Okay, and then go. Do we have to cook the cheese? Please tell me we don't have to cook the cheese.
No, we don't have to cook.
These are different people. These are different people, Chef. We have a little of a situation.
No, we do.
Hamburger, more hamburgers. We don't need cheese.
Just hamburgers.
Get this cheese out of here.
All right, I can manage just hamburgers.
Just 4 hamburgers. Okay. One dude already ate. We need more hamburgers. Hamburgers. Why is there a box on the other?
Oh god! There's a rat! Get the rat!
Where's the rat?
Get the rat!
What's the
I got it! I got the rat! Get in the trash can!
There's another one!
Stop! Okay, one's cooked. One is.
I got an idea. Get over here, rat. Cook the rat.
No.
I think you can. Hold up. Ah, you can't. That sucks. Can you microwave it? Hold up. Where'd you go, rat?
Alright.
Oh, there you are.
Place you down. Come here. Place you.
Oh, rat time.
Boger.
Boger. Okay, we need meat on the stove already. Bam. Wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. You suck ham. Okay.
Alright, 2 black people, and 2 white people. Alright, by the way.
Okay.
No, why did I pick up the flower pot?
I did not mean to pick up that. Give me this. Give me this.
Alright,
I already
cheeseburger,
have.
bacon cheeseburger, cheeseburger. 3 cheeseburgers and 1 bacon cheeseburger.
I got you.
Alright,
Okay,
slice the cheese.
Okay, slice the bread. Where's the plate? Plate.
I'm making the bacon.
Plate. Okay, I think that's enough plates. Okay, plate goes here. Buns go here.
This one's
Bam.
cooked.
Give me this. I'll make the cheeseburger.
Plate.
Do
I
we
need
have
the
to cook?
plate.
Hold on, do we have to cook the cheese? We have to cook the cheese.
No, we
Oh
don't have
god.
to cook the cheese. No, we don't.
Well, I want to see what happens.
I read the cookbook.
It just burns. Okay,
I
it
said
just
we
burns.
don't have to. There's a rat already. A rat just took the cheese.
Get out of here.
I knew it.
Okay. Just put the damn cheese on the burger. And then I need the bun, and I need to place it there, and then take it out to the folks. Okay. Go.
Bacon.
Who wanted the cheeseburger? Who wanted the cheese? Okay, you all want cheeseburger. Never mind. Okay. Dirty plate. Okay,
Okay, this should be good. Wait, hold on. Let me give this person his bacon cheeseburger, and I think we might be set here. Hold on. That was a great meal. Let's go. He said it was a great meal.
Great meal. Okay, good. Patty
Turn
off.
the water on. Okay.
Patty off.
Why is there just a plate on the ground?
Buns. I just started throwing plates.
Plates.
Plates,
Yeah, I like
shut
to
up.
throw plates.
I will chop your balls off. I swear.
Alright, what do you guys want to eat, guys? What do you guys want to eat?
I don't know where that knife went, but it's right there.
I want bacon cheeseburger.
Barbecue bacon. Okay, plate. What do they order?
They all 3 ordered bacon cheeseburgers.
That's fine. Okay, this. Get bacon on the stove right now. And then cheese.
This is our last 2 pieces. Why is there so many plates on the ground, bro? You can't do that.
Yes, I can. Oh, they get dirty on my phone. How much bacon do we need for one person?
2.
Oh, okay. And then bun. I got the bun. I got
Hot one.
Okay. Bam. Okay, and serve to the people. The bacon is a tongue, by the way. This is art history. Okay, bacon cheeseburger. Take the damn cheeseburger. Thumbnail right here. Okay. Eat it. Okay.
Oh crap. Do these guys have it? Cheeseburger, normal cheeseburger. Okay, 2 cheeseburgers.
Truck person. I got it.
You do that. Yeah.
Do you just get bacon? Okay, good.
Yeah, I got
Okay.
bacon. We need
Bacon there. The sink is still on. I think we have to pay for that. What else did they order? Did they just all order bacon cheese? They did. Oh, what jerks. Oh, okay.
I told you. Alright, knife. Plate.
Knife. Oh.
Shut up, I'm quiet. Where's the plate? You know what? I'm gonna use this one.
Dude, I'm speedrunning. Where's the bacon? Okay, the bacon's right here.
There's a rat. Did you leave another dirty plate on the ground?
Probably.
Oh god, the rat's going over here. Oh god, the rat's gone.
Oh, the rat's right here. What's up, bro? What's up? How you doing, man? There's another rat.
Run.
God damn it. Get over here.
Cheeseburger. Here you go, baby. Beautiful.
What?
No, they all left. Wait, was that guy good? Wait.
I'm putting 4 pieces of bacon on the stove. You better check on them.
Why?
What is
I'm watching
happening?
this, bro.
I just saw a cheese fly on my screen. There's cheese on the floor. It's all on the floor. It's all on the floor. What did you do?
Alright, 3 bacon cheeseburgers.
There's a whole ass burger on the floor that we could have used. Move! There's just clean plates on the floor as well. Blow off the dirt. A little dirt never hurt. Okay,
I need to order some stuff.
I don't need this stupid plate. Okay, I just hit a vase. Oh, that, hope I have insurance. Okay,
There's so much food just right there.
and then burger. Truck person, go to the truck. If anyone needs a bacon cheese, what is? Oh, you're just putting that on the stove. I thought someone was burning.
Oh god. Alright, there's another box. Please get it before the truck drives. Or not, I got it.
Oh god, the box is upside down. Put that right there. Bun is
Alright, get
done.
the box. Go over here.
Okay,
Shut the water off.
I got a bacon cheeseburger for anybody. Oh, I just got the patty accidentally. Oh no. Put the pet. There's a mouse. Get that. Okay, plate. You ordered that. Take it. Good job. That's a disgusting sound effect. Okay, plate in the dishwasher. I made it extra long time this time, so we actually have time to do stuff. How do you turn the water on? That's how you turn the water on.
You just click the faucet. I don't know. Oh god, a group of people just left. I know this because they're
Max and Ruby, Ruby and Max.
Why is the burger just floating?
Okay, plate. Plate.
Alright, you want a hamburger, right? Yes, perfect.
Yeah.
Here, get that.
There's still bacon cheeseburgers for these dudes. There's a box flying around.
Hamburger.
There's just a box that's possessed. There's time to this game? What? I had to spill over my monitor. I don't care though. There's buns everywhere. Oh god. I'm messing up. Oh, it's my first day on the job. I'm gonna get fired. So why'd you do that? There's a rat. Get over here. Stupid rat.
My burger.
I'm gonna put you in the trash.
Look, this is real life. I would totally be dominated.
Seriously? What? Seriously, bro? You grabbed the wrong thing.
Did you say what? Hey, give me the knife. I need the knife.
You get it.
Don't throw it at me. Oh, there's a rat. There's a rat.
Take it. Take the bacon. Oh no, I tried to give it to him. Hey. My balls are so. Okay. We ran out of time.
No.
We got 19 points. That's pretty good. That's pretty good.